So let's take a look at GBPJPY for the next day. Now, to those that are yet to subscribe, make sure you become a subscriber by clicking on that subscribe button, like and share. So I would want to see this USD GBPJPY drop to a level of 161. Currently, we are trading at 162 on GBPJPY, 162.499. So if let's see if we can drop to a level of 161.255 before maybe a reversal movement will actually play out. But first, this year GBPJPY needs to drop. Take out this candlestick wick you can see here, which I call liquidity level. Once we can see price come out to take the liquidity level, then we expect GBPJPY to give us that bullish move. So let's sit on a daily time frame also, so we can see it is also still dropping, right? It will not be of a surprise. Once we drop, we expect that movement upward. And let's see what this 1 hour time frame is actually saying, by the way. So this is kind of like a correction. So we are expecting one more movement downward. At least that movement should be able to take out these lows, right? So a new lower lows will be formed by tapping a level of 161.255 before price will actually change its direction and starts going up. So that is what I have. Now, to those that are interested in high probability trade that you have 70 to 90% chance of winning, check the comment section. You'll see the link to our Patreon channel. Once you sign up, you are going to get a better trade from us. Trade that we have 70 to 90% chance of winning. Check it, you sign up, become one of our subscribers, you get it. And also some of the trade that we've actually taken, you also see the link to it, so you can watch it and see some of those trades that we've taken. So if in case you're interested in it, you can sign up.